Hi friends, in this video we will going to know different types of main gate designs and what will price of making this kind of main gates. So friends, if you're new to my channel then please subscribe to our channel, like and share our videos. So let's begin the video. So friends, the primary reason for making the main gates is to provide security, and therefore the main gate design should have adequate strength. Iron, steel, aluminium are the most widely used materials for house main gate designs. These materials provide good strength and allow to the customized main gate designs due to their workability. And the cost of main gate designs in India depends on the materials, size, design, complexity, and finishes. And here is overview of various types of their approximate price ranges. First one is a mild steel gates, that means MS gates. Its price range is starting from 250 to 500 per square foot. This features like durable and cost effective and customizable with patterns or laser cuts. Its popular uses residential and industrial properties. And another one is the wrought iron gates. This price range is starting from 350 to 750 per square foot. This features like elegant designs, heavy duty and rust resistant when we coated. And its popular use villas, bungalows and traditional homes. And third one is the stainless steel. These gates are price range is starting from 400 to 1000 per square foot. This features is modern look and corrosion resistant and low maintenance. Its popular uses is contemporary homes and urban properties. And fourth one is the aluminium gates. This price range is starting from 500 to 1200 per square foot. This features like lightweight and rust proof and available in sleek and modern styles. Its popular use apartments and commercial spaces. And fifth one is wooden gates. This price range is starting from 800 to 2500 per square foot. This features is a premium appearance and customizable designs and require is a minimal maintenance. It's popular use in villas and resorts and luxury homes. And sixth one is the sliding gates. This price range is starting from 500 to 1500 per square foot. It's depending on the material. Features available like space saving and easy to the operation, and available in automatic options also. It's popular use large residentials and complex and factories. And seventh one is the cast iron gates. This price range is starting from 600 to 1200 per square foot. This features ornamental designs, heavy duty and antique style look. Its popular use heritage properties and luxury homes. And another one is and automatic gates. This price range is starting from 1000 to 5000 per square foot, including motor and installation. This features remote control. A remote control is available and it swings sliding or telescopic designs. Its popular use high-end homes, offices and gated communities. And ninth one is the glass and metal combination gates. This price range is starting from 1500 to 3000 per square foot. This features is a sleek, contemporary and visual appealing. Its popular use premium homes and modern commercial spaces. And sometimes added additional cost like coatings and finishes, powder coatings and glazing or wood finishes and wood polish may be added 50 to 200 per square foot. And sometimes customization, laser cutting, CNC patterns, or integrated designs may be increase the cost by 10 to 30%. So let me know if you find like to help to selecting the specific designs to your needs. And the main gate is housed as the focal point of property entrance and functioning as both practical and authentic features. And behind merely making of the boundary at the home, building or estate, it plays vital role in enhancing security and privacy and curb appeal. The design of the main gate sets the tone of overall property and reflect the architectural style, culturals and values and personal preferences of its occupants. And a thoughtfully designed main gate is combined functionality with visual appeal. It's incorporating alignments such as materials, choice, dimension, patterns, and colors. And whatever its traditional wrought iron gates, it's linked to the modern automatic gates or rustic wooden entryways. The design should be seamlessly integrated with the surroundings. And the surroundings environment meet the property practical requirements. In addition to the authentic main gate designs, often to the account of durability, easy of operation, and the compliance and spiritual planning principles like Feng or Vastu emphasizing the importance of harmony and energy flow and property and ultimately the main gate more than just entry point. It is statement piece and balance beauty, utility and symbolize. And the commonly used colors for main gate designs for your house are blue, black, red, yellow, white, and green. The combination of these colors are also use of main gate designs for your house. And the main gate is often to the first visible element of property, the setting tone of the overall design. A well designed create a welcoming and positive impression. The design of main gate is crucial element in architectural and landscaping for several reasons. Encom- Encompassing and functionality authentic and symbolize. And the main gate is act the first line of the defense of providing safety and privacy. Its design is should be ensure study and height and features like locks, automatic and effective protection. A good gate design ensures smooth and entrance and exit while accommodate of practical needs like vehicles or residentials or automatic or sliding gates or example scattered or contemporary convenience. Depending on the design, gates can provide varying levels of visibility and airflow and maintaining balance between privacy and openness. In many cultures, and the placement design of main gates are aligned with spiritual or philanthropy of principles, believe influence, energy, property, and well-being. By addressing these factors and the design of main gate becoming more than just entry point, it transform into the vital architectural and cultural futures. The main gate is serves as focal point of your house and it's just looking and the gate is at the first line of defense